Hello, everybody. Okay, I shall wait for people to come in. Very good evening to all of you. I get some water. Almost. Hello, everybody. I'm getting some water. Sorry, I forgot to take some water. Okay, and all right. Okay, I got my water already. Okay. A very good evening to everybody. Today, I'm going to show you something that will blow your mind away. It's first one. Thank you, Zenny. You're really very kind. Thank you. Today, if you watch it, you will blow your mind away. Really amazing. I just have this powerful simulator. I really want all of you to come in and watch this. Okay, Angie, good evening to you. Angie, long time no see. Zihao, good evening to you. Manactic, good evening to you. Xia Ming, good evening to you. Gary, good evening. Randy, good evening. Okay, everybody come in right now. I'm going to show you something that's really going to blow your mind off. Okay, really going to blow your mind off. Okay, everybody come in right now so that I can share with you this. Okay, really amazing. Yeah, really amazing. Kenny, good evening to you too. Yep. So the CPF new investment scheme, a lot of us have a flavor of it, but the key question is how much money can make out of it, right? So I actually did a simulator, and today I will give you the answer how much money you can make out of it. Okay, so everybody join in, hit like and hit subscribe so that you don't miss out on this. And I'm going to share with you, and today I'll run simulations for you as well so that you can understand how well it does. Okay, yes, no, I'm not a big fan of fireworks before Chinese New Year. Am I feeling better? Yes, the jabs are doing me fine right now. Yep. 还没有收工? No. This morning I went go-karting with my family. You know, go-karting. Yeah, so I missed out on a lot of work, so I came back. Yeah. So today I have an amazing one. So today I will share with you what I did amazingly with AI, and most importantly, the outcome is simulation. And I'll show you both how I do it. Okay. So everybody come in. Do not miss this live stream. If you miss this live stream, you will miss a lot. So everybody hit a like right now. Really, trust me. End of this session, if you are not wowed by it, okay? Yeah, Mr. Lu, you 学狗叫. Yeah. Yes. So trust me, you'll be wowed by it. Right? Super wow. And I'll coach you guys how to do it. Okay. So everybody, quickly come in right now. Yeah, and hit a thumbs up. Okay, hit a thumbs up. Yeah, if you hit thumbs up, more thumbs up. More thumbs up, then this thing will let more people watch it. Okay, more thumbs up. Right now, I only have 70 thumbs up. I won't start until 300 thumbs up. Trust me, what I have today will blow your mind out. Okay, will blow your mind out. Okay, I'll show you guys really something very amazing. Okay, I'll give you a flavor right now. Give you a flavor right now to tease you guys how powerful this thing is. Okay, and I hope it can show. All right, so this is the new CPF investment scheme. I can adjust how much I put in. You will show me at different age how much profit can I make, and then the different glide path. Okay, versus CPF, how much can I make, the glide path, year-on-year contribution, and so on. Very powerful. Okay, and I'll show you guys this how this thing being done. So you don't want to miss this. Really very amazing. Really very amazing. And the science behind it is just amazing. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. And I'll teach you guys how to do this if you guys are keen. Okay. Yeah. So everybody, if you're interested, hit thumbs up. Mr. Lu 越来越厉害. No, I'm now into agentic AI. Generative AI is too rudimentary already. Not for me, for the world. So now I'm going into agentic AI, and I don't have a choice because the world is catching up too fast. And the simulations I want to do, wow, if I ask human to do, it take forever. And I got to watch people 脸色. So I don't have the kind of patience to watch people's face color. So nowadays, machine don't give me face color. Yeah. I ask them to do, they do. I ask them to work at late night, they ask me to work. Yeah. So I will show you guys. I will show you guys how to do it. I'll just say this: I'm 54 years old this year. 54 years old. Okay, and if Uncle me can do it now, some of you guys that are much younger should be able to do it much better than I do lah. Okay, so you guys want to quickly hit thumbs up? I don't have time. Quickly hit thumbs up. Trust me. Okay. Yes, my ligament is feeling better right now. I'm wearing a knee guard right now, but it is feeling much better. Today, I could at least walk my usual, how many steps have I done now? Can you all see 16,700 steps already? Okay. Yeah. Yesterday I couldn't, yesterday I hit 15,000. The day before I couldn't. It's just too painful. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, 51, you feel, I feel very young now, man. AI has just made me very powerful right now. I could do things I couldn't do in the past. So hurry up, guys, hit thumbs up. I will show you guys how to do it. You want to learn? Yeah, I show you guys how to do it. It's an incredible art. Okay. Yeah. So more importantly is to show you guys the new CPF investment scheme, how much money you can get out of it. Do you want to learn? Quickly hit thumbs up. What are you waiting for? Adeline, good to see you. Where's your allow? Okay. Yes. So quickly hit thumbs up. Okay, hit thumbs up. 300 thumbs up, I'll start. Trust me, this one is something you don't, even you don't want to learn the AI part, you want to learn the investment part. Okay, so today got two lessons. Which one do you want to learn? Okay, quickly hit thumbs up. Trust me. Okay, the things I share with you all today is just amazing. Just amazing. Okay, just amazing. Yeah, really, really amazing. I'm in my early journey of agentic AI. Wow. Out of the world experience, man. Out of the world experience. Yeah, out of the world experience. Okay, I'm just getting started. Okay. Anyway, I told everybody I will not run any more AI courses. Okay, I will not run any more AI courses, and I will just focus my energy on just making money. Yeah, just making money, and yeah, I don't mind helping everybody. And I think I run enough courses to help everybody already. Yeah, that's the best I can do. I got no time to run the courses. Okay, I want to help everybody as much as I can, but yeah. So like for example, right now, ask people to hit thumbs up, take forever. Now only 140 people hit thumbs up, right? There are 364 of you all here. Less than half of you all hit thumbs up. I don't know what's taking us so long, right? Then ask me run AI course. Wow, I think very painful. I think my life, I make more money by doing other things. So I want to quickly help you all level up. So today I will show you guys with the power of AI how you run, how you use powerful AI system to project how much money you can make from the new CPF investment scheme. Okay. Yes, Gary, I'm very blessed that you attended the last class. Yes. Yeah. So 150 of you, quickly, I need another 150 more. So again, I try to give you a flavor, a quick flavor of what I did. Okay. And it's a very amazing system. And here I have this is a new CPF investment scheme. I've created a system where you can adjust how much you put in every year. And let's say at 25 years old, 35 years old, 45 years old, this thing will tell you how much you put in, how much profit you can make at the end of it. It will also give you show you charts how much you can make versus CPF ordinary account, how much we can make. The glide path between bonds and equities year by year numbers and so on. If you all want to learn how to do that, what the numbers is, join me right now. Hit the thumbs up. Hit a thumbs up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay, hurry up. Yes, the new scheme is not suitable for above 60 years old. Teach your children. I was spending my whole evening teaching my son-in-law and my daughter and his friend. Yeah. So everybody quickly hit thumbs up right now. I want to show you this. Yeah. No, the new CPF investment scheme does not apply to all ages. It mainly applies to the younger CPF member. However, people who are older like myself, you should know what the new scheme is, okay? And just in case they change the system to let us participate. And more importantly is the younger Singaporeans, your children must know it's a gold mine for them, man. Later I'll show you the numbers, then you know how powerful it is. Powerful gold mine, powerful gold mine. So everybody hurry up, give me a thumbs up, okay? And then we can go. I'll give myself a thumbs up as well. Those people watching on TV, you can go to your phone and hit the thumbs up. I don't know why it's taking you so long to hit thumbs up. Yeah, hit a thumbs up, okay? Yes. So the more you hit thumbs up, the more people get to view it, okay? I have 190, I need another 110 more, okay? Don't be selfish and wait for other people to give thumbs. You give a thumbs up, okay? So that other people watch it. I don't ask for thumbs up in my video. I only ask for thumbs up in my live stream because that's the YouTube algorithm. Some people say, Mr. Lu, you let me decide when I give a thumbs up. Yeah, then don't watch. Yeah. I want you all to give thumbs up so other people can watch. It's not for me. It's for other people. This is the YouTube algorithm. I don't have a choice. I need to beg you guys to do it. Okay? Please help me understand. We should be all mature enough to know that this is a community. The 1865 is a community. Your action will help other people to benefit. Okay? Yeah. All right, good. Okay, good evening, Chai-Ling. Okay, so I've now 220 already. Give more thumbs up. Where you, Lila? Good to see you on H2 Ocean. So today I have two lessons to share everybody. Number one, I'll share everybody the compounding power of the new CPF investment scheme. And for some of you who are interested, I'll teach you how to create an analysis. Okay, really amazing, really amazing. Okay, so I have 216 thumbs up, 230 thumbs up, much more quickly, don't waste time. JL, very good to see you. Okay, yeah. Mr. Lu, very powerful using Claude. No lah, nothing powerful about. I'm still in the early phase of learning. I wonder, yeah. So I'm picking up. Uncle me can pick up, you all can pick up, huh? Yeah. Don't just send the thumbs up here. That thumbs up no use. Must hit this thumbs up on the YouTube channel. Why live stream have advanced one? What's that? Okay. Yeah, so everybody quickly, I have now 240 thumbs up. I'm waiting for another 60 more, okay? If you all want to learn some new powerful stuff, today is the time, okay? Today is the time. Huh? Okay, I'm going to elevate this thing. Okay, so you can watch it, okay? All right, and by the way, I think it's a powerful system. Ads only on mobile version. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Now, YouTube have to make money, right? YouTube have to make money. Okay. So they serve ads. So I mean, I cannot stop them from serving ads, right? So I need 49 more thumbs up. Then we can start. Okay. Yes, one person can only hit one thumbs up. So 470 of you, I only have 250 thumbs up. Please, everybody quickly hit thumbs up. Okay. Then I can start. 300 thumbs up, we start. I left with 40 more, okay? Yeah, so today I will, thank you. My Hong Mineral oranges are fantastic. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. So but they also up. Yeah, so anyway, I'm waiting. Today I'm more interested in making good investment returns alongside with everybody. So if you are keen, please join me very quickly. I left with 40 more thumbs up. Okay, 40 more thumbs up. Please, everybody, come in quickly, please. Okay, I don't have time already. Yeah, and by the way, I'm in Malaysia right now. Okay, and I was say, okay, while waiting for people to get up, the Malaysian New Year mood is stronger than Singapore. Why? I don't understand. Here you go to retail place, wow, crowded, packed, everybody so happy. You go to Singapore, sian one. Yeah, sian one. Do you have feel that way? Sian one. Like not so happy kind of thing. Eh? I don't know. I just don't understand why. Yeah. Okay. Do you have the same feeling as I do, or maybe it's just me? Yeah. Oh, I also don't understand. Yeah. Okay, I left with another 20 more thumbs up and we can start. Okay? 20 more thumbs up and start. Hurry up, guys, quickly. Don't waste time. 500 of you, just 20 of you. Causeway very jam. That's true. Go late lah. Very, very late. Jennifer, good to see you. Singaporean westernized. No lah. Chinese New Year all still celebrate. They more relaxed, slow pace. We are more stressed in Singapore. That is true, but the celebrations still need to celebrate, right? Okay. Jasmine, good evening to you too. I'm trying to figure out why Singaporeans sian like that. Nah? Okay, I don't know why. Okay, I need 18 more thumbs up, guys. Just 18 more thumbs up. Hurry up. Okay, things are too expensive. Then yeah, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you. Today, you know where I celebrate Valentine's Day? I celebrate Valentine's Day in one of the best roadside wonton mee in JB. Roadside wonton mee dinner. Wow, tastes so nice. Okay. I think only costs, I don't know, 20 ringgit or something like that for 2 person. Yeah, 20 ringgit or something like that. I can't remember. Very, very cheap. Okay. Yeah. So I have a 293 thumbs up right now, guys. Quickly. Okay. I want to start also. You're quickly. All right. 300 thumbs up. Let's go. Okay. Now, so the backdrop, before I start, backdrop is that the CPF board launched a new scheme. Okay. Launch a new scheme called the actually, they haven't come up with a name. A lot of people call, the CPF board haven't come up with a new name. Okay, wait, I'll just show you. Okay, so this is a new investment scheme in 2028 offering simplified, low-cost, diversified commercial investment product. Okay, and this is a press release. I want to use a press release because the press release is the most accurate. A lot of us guess what is it, but just use it. So it's basic. A lot of people call it the lifetime retirement investment scheme. That's not the name. That is not. That's the old name. Okay, and basically the new scheme will have the following feature. Number one, it will have an automatic age-based rebalancing portfolio. Okay, so this is key feature number one. You will have equity bond ratio automatically adjusted for you. And it will have a phased liquidation. Okay, so by the time you reach 65 years old, you'll be liquidated. Now, will they start liquidating at 60 years old, 55 years old? I don't know. Okay, but it's a phased liquidation. So this sentence have two features. Okay, and upon liquidation, the proceed will go to your RA up to the full retirement sum. Any proceeds will be transferred to the OA. Okay, and then from OA, of course, you can top up your RA again to put to the enhanced retirement sum. Okay, and from there you can have a great CPF retirement life, and they will make it very simple. Only two providers. Okay, I think OCBC and DBS already expressed their interest to be part of the provider. My guess is maybe endowers will be interested as well. I never speak to endowers. Okay, and I'm sure a lot of other funds are interested as well. You'll be very low cost in their fees. Okay, low cost in their fees. I hope you'll be in the range of 0.3, 0.2%, because today you can get funds at 0.3%, 0.6%. So if they are not lower than that, then it's a big dammer. Okay, and so on. So it will start engaging industry from 2026 onwards, and so on. And everybody, okay. So bottom line is that they encourage this for people with a time horizon of 20 years. Time horizon of 20 years, ideally. Okay, time horizon of 20 years. But let's say you don't have. I don't know whether they will still accept you. But let's take a look at what. Make some assumptions. So what I did was that I take a chapter from the Hong Kong case. Okay, Hong Kong has a similar system. I take a look at their is quite similar. They have a bond equity ratio that will adjust all the way to 65 years old, and after that, they will also port over to, let's say, an RA equivalent or whatsoever. So what I did was that I use an AI system, okay? I use an AI system and I put in all the documents. This is called Claude. I put in all the documents of all the release. I also put in the Hong Kong system, description of the Hong Kong system inside as well. If you were to take a look at this, I don't know whether you'll come out or you cannot see. Okay, never mind. I put the Hong Kong system inside. I just tell it, I want you to run simulations estimating the long run returns based on the assumption, and do the simulations of investor by putting in, let's say someone starts with 25 years old, he put $2,000 in every year, and compare another one who start with 35 years old, and compare another one who start with 45 years old. Okay, why I end at 45 years old is because I think they are preferring to have people that are 20 years runway, and I'm sure they are considering whether to let people a bit older to come in, but they can take lower ratio. But anyway, I run this simulation. So how much can the person make whatsoever? So I put this in, they run the simulations, and I don't want to waste time showing you this. I just straight away show you this. Look at this, man. This thing come out in terms of minutes. So let's start with, so can you all see? So this simulator basically says that if I am putting $2,000 a year into this new CPF investment scheme, and I start at 25 years old, let's talk about this box first. I start at 25 years old. At the end of 40 years, which is 65 years old, based on the available information that we have and make some assumption, I would have gained $151,000 and I contributed $82,000. So that would be a $93,000 better than if I put in the ordinary account. Okay, of course, there are some assumptions. I'll let you know the assumptions. And in this case, what if I'm 35 years old and I start this? That's great. You put $2,000 a year, and for 30 years, because you hit 65 years old, okay, you have gained how much? $63,000 after contributing $62,000. And that's a $33,000 difference with the ordinary account. And what if I start at 45 years old? Well, your time horizon is shorter to 20 years. You contributed $42,000, you make $20,000. That's not bad. That's $8,000 in addition. Okay, this is where I'll blow your mind off. Take a look at this, okay? This is how the graph looks like. Can you see that? This is the exponential graph. Okay, this is exponential graph of someone at 25 years old. 25 years old, you hit $200,000. 35 years old, you hit $100,000. And if you are 45 years old, you hit roughly $75,000 or so, 60-something thousand, sorry. Okay, now versus the returns of CPF OA, if you're 25, this is the bar chart. Okay, I share with you already. Now, this is a very interesting called glide path. This is the underlying assumption. Now, so we are assuming that around 50 years old to 51, 52, the amount of equities you hold before that was 70-30. It could be 80-20, but this is just an assumption. I think they mirror it after the Hong Kong case. Okay, then you will start to come down, all the way until 65 years old. You will hold 100% bond and 0% equity. So it's a glide path of bond equity ratio. And this is what the CPF board is intending to move towards. Now, the actual numbers is our assumption, but this is the nature of it is what they are moving towards. Okay, and I'll give you the year-by-year number. So the return rates blended, okay, for a 70-30 will be about 5.5%. So of course, this one, got up and down, but let's say blended 5.5%, which is good because 70% of equity probably give you about, say, 7-8%, but the bonds will give you maybe 2 to 4%. So blended about 5.5%. By the way, this 5.5% is mirrored after the Hong Kong numbers. So it's somewhat credible. And over the years, once you hit 50 over years old, the return rates will start to come down to around 3%, which is the bond rates that they're assuming. Okay, it's not bad, right? So based on the life cycle investment, you will make so much if you are 25 years old. Okay, yeah, and of course these are some of the assumptions that that were made. Pretty cool, right? Now let's say we increase it to now $4,000. Shall we just try $4,000 a year? A year, not a month. Wow, look at the return rates. Look at this, man. Okay. Now these are ballpark. We won't be tuned because these are embedded assumption, but the ballpark should be around there. So, but guys, everybody give a thumbs up. A lot of work went into developing this. Okay. So this is, if you start at 25 years old, you will have contributed $164,000 by putting in $4,000 a year. Okay, so $4,000 a year over how many? For over 40 years, you have contributed this much, and the gains you have made now, assuming the glide path that will show you, you have made a gain of $300,000. $300,000. And versus the OA return of 2.5%, you have an incremental gain of $186,000. Okay? And if you start at 35 years old, your gains will be more minute, not smaller, 127,000. Okay? Versus the OA return, okay, you have gained 67,000. If you're 45 years old, you have gained $41,000. So what's the moral story? Start as early as possible, guys. Start as early as possible. The earlier you do it, the more the compounding power is. Okay? Let's say if you go, everybody, gung-ho, $10,000 a year. Okay, 8,000, 10,000 be too much. Okay? Okay, 10,000. Let's say you can chunk, young people cannot 10,000. $8,000 a year. Wow, look at the return rates. Almost can hit $1 million, you know. And here, $500,000. Here, 250,000. Cool, right, guys? Okay. Isn't it cool? Okay. So, bottom line is, okay, by the way, I can slide this back also. Slide this back, okay, and just adjust it. Now, again, the portfolio growth, okay, maybe I slide this back to $8,000. $8,000, The portfolio growth, wow, look at this, $900,000. Again, exponential graph in the early years are very boring. Then later, the exponential graph goes up very powerfully. Okay? Isn't it cool, guys? Okay. So, any questions, guys? Any questions? So this will give you the key takeaway. Well, let me see where I was. The key takeaway. Okay, wait. So the key takeaway is this. Start investment early. Start investment early. Okay, start investment early. We don't exactly know when the liquidation will start and in what ratio. So in this assumption, we have no liquidation. Okay, no liquidation. But if there's a liquidation, then you will pare down some of the returns. The rate of return is 5.5%, and for 5.5% going down to 3. 5.5% going down to 3. Okay, that's over a long period. 5.5 is quite reasonable. Quite reasonable. Okay, we benchmark against the Hong Kong return rates. Okay, since there's component equities, can you model injection market correction every 5 years? Again, right, there are ups and down. I'm sure I can correct it now, but now this is what I've got it done. Is a real return guaranteed? Of course not. Of course not. Okay, of course not. Yeah, of course not. So that's why the government said if you're willing to take risk, then you join this one now. There will be some volatility and fluctuation accordingly. Okay. Yeah, if guaranteed, no brainer, right? Tang kuku guaranteed. Okay. Yeah. So the estimated sum is purely based on OA exclude. Okay. How much you can put into this new CPF investment scheme, I believe details are not out, is only from OA to this one. I don't think you're allowed to put SA into this. So you put OA into this. Yeah. That's a good question. why not just buy S&P 500 with OA? Okay, so again, I believe number one is that this is very the volatility is a lot less than the S&P 500 because there's a mix of equities and bonds. And as you go older and older, it auto adjusts for you equities and bonds to have more bonds and less equity. So S&P 500, if you want to do it, then you must manually go and adjust it, and a lot of people don't like to manual. So yeah, so this is, now, do you need to deploy crash buying? I also think that yes, if you deploy crash buying, it is the most optimal outcome. But if you have a time horizon of 20, 30 years or whatsoever, then crash buying, not crash buying is not so impactful. Okay. Zani, do you have children? Start educating them right now. I think this is a very powerful system for the long run. 不要小看它. Okay. These kind of return rates are very high relative to the OA rates. And I think the government will give some kind of incentive, which they haven't announced yet. I'm waiting for it. Okay. Ryan said 5.5% return for Hong Kong system over a period of 20 years for hyperbolic QE since grade. Okay. Whatever that means. Yep. So by the way, this simulator that I created, okay, is in terms of minutes. Minutes. I just tell the AI system to generate this thing for me. The system auto-generate everything for me. Isn't it powerful, guys? Isn't it powerful? Okay. Once I have 700 over people coming in, I will repeat the whole thing again. So everybody hit thumbs up. Okay. Munger said in recent interview around 2020 that we should embrace a future of lower returns compared to what they have been getting, which is 20%. Their lower is our higher. So don't worry about that. Munger's low return is because their fund size is too big already. They cannot find instruments they cannot find stocks to buy anymore that can generate the kind of return. Okay. You use Gemini or ChatGPT to do research. This one is Claude. Research, I use ChatGPT, but this one, the simulator, I use Claude to do it. Singapore managed funds performance is usually bad. Look at Temasek and GIC. That's because they take a very low. That's because they take a very low risk profile. Okay. Yeah. So I think that there's 700 people now. Okay. Do you all want me to quickly run through again how I did it? Maybe this time a bit slower. If you want me to, let me know. Okay. And I can give you the prompt how to do it. Would that help you a bit? Okay. So yeah, let me know. Okay, if you are interested. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I can. I can. Yeah, let me just show you how I did it. Okay, so for those people who just come in, everybody please hit thumbs up. I'm trying to do a high level estimate of how much returns the new CPF investment scheme can give us. The details are not out yet, so I cannot be precise. So I use some high level analysis to generate the analysis. Okay, so how I did it is that can enhance it live. What I can try. I can try. Okay, let me try and see whether I can do this. Oh man. Okay. Man. Oh, no. Wait. Let me see where I can do it. Oh no. Okay. Okay. So, give me a minute. I would also have ChatGPT on. Okay, sorry guys, I haven't project up the screen. Okay, everybody watch, hold your breath, guys. Everybody give thumbs up. Okay, no thumbs up, no sharing of live. Okay, so first of all, this is the new CPF investment scheme. Okay, this is the news announcement. So I copy this whole thing down, and together with all the news release, okay, and I actually tell let me see. I'll tell ChatGPT, okay, this thing. All right. Okay, and see whether they can. Okay, so let me see this. Okay. All right. So I'll copy all the files over. Copy all the files over. So this is a CPF new scheme. Sorry. Okay. So this is I copy all the files over. So all the news. Wait, is loading up right now. I copy up all the news files onto, okay, so CPF board introduced new investment scheme, whatever, everything is here. Can you see this is the news release, everything. So I copy the news release file into ChatGPT, okay, whatever news release I can find. I'll just say this, watch how I do it. Sorry, one more time, okay. I'm gonna create a new CPF Investment Scheme Simulator. All the details of the schemes are here. I want you to take a look at it and create a powerful prompt for me to tell Claude to generate a simulator for me. I want you to create the prompt for Claude to do it. Okay, and I copy and paste my instructions. I want you to run simulation, long run scheme, take a chapter from the Hong Kong DIS case and start someone from 25 years old, $2,000 whatsoever, and then run the assumption, okay? Do it now. Let's try, okay? We do it live, okay? Do it live. Guys, hit thumbs up, Mr. Lu spent a lot of time teaching you guys, okay? Okay, and once I finish, okay, create a master prompt ready. Don't bother what it says. Okay, it says this. Okay, it says this, simulator, whatever, okay. Okay, it is a very long prompt. Okay, yeah. It's a very long prompt, extension, why this prompt works, whatsoever. Okay, and let's go. Okay, once I've done it, I go to Claude. Okay, and I'm gonna start a new chat. Okay, I'll paste it, and I'll add all those same files over, all the news release and all this kind of thing. And wait, I better make sure I copy ChatGPT over. Okay, wait, the text. Okay, give me a minute, guys. Okay, and I copy it over to Claude. Where is Claude? Claude is here. Does it come out? Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, so I copy the whole thing over and let's go. Okay. Oh man, I hit my limit. Shit. I hit my limit. I actually paid for it. I hit my limit. Okay, but doesn't matter. So this is what I did. And guess what? It comes out. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Very powerful simulator. So this simulator, okay, will, let's say so what it does is that, no, you have to have the paid version. If not, it won't come out. Okay, I already have paid version, it still won't come out. So I put $2,000 a year into the new CPF investment scheme. So if I'm 25 years old, I'll put it in and withdraw at 65 years old. And how much can I get? Wow, look at this. The fund size will go to $200 over $1,000, although I only put in $82,000. Okay, how much should I make? 151,000. And this is a gain of $93,000 versus OA. Okay, and this one is 35 years old. Okay, 35 years old, and you put in $2,000 for 30 years, and your portfolio will grow to 125,000. How much will you make? A profit of $63,000. And if you are 45 years old, you put $2,000 a year, you contribute 42,000, you will make you $20,000. Okay, so then again, this one will show you how the graph works for 25 years old, 35 years old, 45 years old. Okay, and it will also show you the glide path. So this is bond equity ratio, assuming 70-30. And as you grow older and older, the bonds will start to increase and the equities will start to go down. Okay. Now, this one, unfortunately, didn't model the liquidation, but it's okay. It will give you a flavor good enough. Okay. And so on. Pretty cool, right? So, and that's the glide path, guaranteed returns versus non-guaranteed returns. Okay. And so on. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so and if you want, you can even ask a clock to download it to Excel, to PowerPoint, and put in HTML for you. Yeah, which I actually done that as well. So let's say you click the download to Excel. Excel will give you the simulator in Excel form. Pretty cool, right? So start at 25 years old, all the cells are here. 35 years old, all the cells are here. 45 years old, all the graphs are here. Damn cool, man. Freaking cool. Okay. And so on. Yeah. So this is an Excel file. Okay. And so on. Okay. All right, guys. Any questions? Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions, guys? I hope you find this really cool. Okay. I hope you find this really cool. I think it's really, really very cool. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Well, you don't need to input their age. You can just have a slider for their age. Yeah. Why use ChatGPT to come up with the prompt? Because I find ChatGPT better in prompting. Okay. I find ChatGPT better in prompting and Claude better in creating. Okay. Yeah. Maybe the other one is I'm more used to ChatGPT. Okay. Cool, right, guys? Yeah. So for those people, by the way, those people already attended my investment with confidence class. Just write to me. Write to me in the Telegram group chat that we have. I can send it to you as well. This Excel and this HTML file. Okay. Yeah, because they already signed a disclaimer. They signed off a disclaimer already. Then I can issue them anything I want. The rest of you guys haven't signed disclaimer. I cannot issue you guys. Okay. Yeah. Why is it starting? Is it starting only 2028? Yes, the government is starting in 2028. It's starting in 2028. Okay. Yeah. So I think it's really. First of all, the key takeaway from this is that, this kind of investment scheme, if you want to make money out of it, must put for a very long period of time and have the courage to let it run and run and run. Okay. And the second most important thing is that, you must let your children know if you are already past that age. Okay. Yeah. Then you can take advantage of it. Okay. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay. And you can ask me the AI questions as well. Okay. You can ask me the AI questions as well. Gemini cannot do this really well. Yeah. The coding with Claude is good. Don't even need coding. I don't know how to do coding. I didn't even need to do coding. Do you realize that? I don't even need to do coding. It's really cool. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Anyone have any other questions? AI questions also can. Yeah. It's really powerful. Yeah. Any limit to transfer OA to the investment scheme? I think the details are not out yet. How long did it take to create this? 10 minutes? 15? 10, 15 minutes, yeah. I think you should continue the AI class. I think AI is only start to pick up. I got no time. I got no time. Yeah. So That's why I told the last class, you all want to learn, quickly learn. Yeah, I only have time to teach people investment. I think I got time to teach you AI lah. Yeah. How much did you for the apps? What is how much did you for the app? Yeah. Do you ask AI to give you total number? The AI, I'm sure, will give you the total number. Whether you strike or not is another thing, right? I don't have time to teach AI yet. Mark also don't have time. I don't have time. Both of us don't have time. Both of us got a business to run, Yeah. He's got business to run. So he's got business to run with me. So we all don't really have time. But I give you a flavor of this 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 sheet, I will make it available to the investing in confidence class. So whoever is interested in the investing in confidence class, not only I'll teach you crash buying skill, I have a simulator there. This one, I'll give it on the site to all the attendees as well, because all the attendees have signed disclaimers. So then I can give everybody, everybody just come and ask for me, I cannot give because you haven't signed the disclaimer. How much I pay for AI? I think $30 Sing, I think roughly $30 Sing. I currently have CPF IS. How will new scheme affect me? Nothing. It won't affect you. Yeah, it won't affect you because it's an opt-in. It won't affect you. Okay. By the way, all those things I shared are just high-level estimates. Okay. Everything is subject to changes because no details are out yet, and we shall see. Yeah, we shall see. And this one is just created on the fly by AI. So it's really powerful. AI is really, really powerful. Those people who think that AI is not going to replace human must have their brain checked out. AI is going to replace a lot of human for sure. Okay, yeah. Any other questions, guys? Okay, I think this is pretty powerful, right? Pretty powerful, and I think it's something that we all need to be cognizant. Is Gemini more for presentation? Each of them have their own plus. So I use Gamma more for presentation, not Gemini. Yeah, Gamma more for presentation. Okay, yeah, Gamma is incredible for presentation. Okay, ask AI to select the top 10 funds to invest. That's one use of AI. We should never ask AI to do investment for us. Yeah. So how you deploy AI is important. Yeah. So, but you use AI to analyze your portfolio, I think that's okay. Yeah. AI to analyze your CPF balances, I think is okay. AI to teach you how to have an SRS withdrawal strategy, I think is okay. Yeah. So, Mr. Lu, this new CPF investment scheme is likely eligible for those 55 years old plus. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. But the rules are not out yet. I don't think it's available for those that are 55 and above. Okay, or they allow you to put very little. Very little. Maybe it is, but very little. My guess. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. Yeah. So I thought this is quite powerful, and I wanted to share with you guys this. And if you guys are, by the way, if you guys are, oh sorry, I forgot to put this. Okay, if you guys are keen to learn the power of crash buying, you can WhatsApp this number, and that system that I just developed is free for you to play with. Okay, yeah. Any other last questions? Any other last questions? Okay. Any other last questions? Okay, no other last questions. I will go for my walk already. Okay, I now walk with a knee guard. Yeah, so it's pretty it's pretty uncomfortable, but no choice. Yeah, injured my knee. Yeah, no choice. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, guys. I hope you find this simulator interesting. So late, I walk at 1 a.m. even. Yeah, this is very early. Okay. All right. The system you can get through Telegram, group chat, or Angie, if you are attending the Investing with Confidence class, you get it in that group chat. Okay, the Retire Confidence, you all didn't sign disclaimer, so I cannot issue to you all. I need you all to sign the disclaimer. That is signed, the attendees of the Investing with Confidence, they have signed disclaimers. Yeah, so I only issue it through that class. Yeah, no choice. Because this kind of thing got stock market returns, no disclaimer, I will get myself into legal trouble. So I don't want to get myself into legal trouble. Okay? Why you never send your kids to branded school? No need lah. Yeah, no need. Why you need to send kids to branded school? Okay? What happens with CPF member did not take action after 70s or CPF Life? The government will force you to take your CPF Life out through the standard plan. Okay? Through a standard plan. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, this is where we say good night and goodbye. Okay? Enjoy your weekend, and we are all getting close to Chinese New Year already, so enjoy Chinese New Year preparation as well. Okay? Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Okay? Good night, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys. Good night. Good night, and bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.